Alright, yes, I'm Roman and here I am again in New York, and for today's video I want to know what New Yorkers or simply people living in New York think about French people or France in general. Hey Spider-Man, would you like to respond to a question for us?
No speak in English. Spanish.
Sí, habla español.
Yeah.
Entonces, es una pregunta bastante simple. Quiero saber lo que los americanos o la gente que vive aquí en Nueva York piensa de Francia. ¿Qué opinas de Francia? O la gente francesa.
Pues no conozco Francia, no te puedo decir algo de Francia, algo de que no conozco.
Bueno, pues, pero ¿no tienes algún estereotipo, por ejemplo? En general decimos que en Francia el francés es la lengua de amor.
Yeah.
Eso es algo que entendemos, entonces, ¿qué opinas tú en general? Pues no, si sabes nada, no sabes nada, está bien.
No, sí, o sea, Francia se lo conoce como la ciudad del amor, más que todo en París, como está la Torre Eiffel y toda la vaina, pero bueno, opino que sí, es reconocida por eso, por el amor y por lo que conlleva la torre, el romanticismo. Hay un puente donde guindan también candados, tengo entendido, ¿verdad? Sí. Dicen que eso es una señal de amor por siempre cuando pones el candado. Súper chévere, quisiera algún día conocer Francia.
Alright, so, are you American?
Yeah.
Alright, perfect. So what's your name?
I like a 99% American.
Alright, that works too. So it's very, very simple. What do you think in general about France or French people?
Oh, wow. I think they're classy. I would say that. And also reliable.
Reliable.
Yeah.
Have you ever been to France, maybe?
Never.
Would you like to go to France?
I would like to go to France next year for the Olympics.
Oh, perfect. Well, I should be there as well. Well, I do appreciate that, man. And what's your name again?
Coco the Third.
Coco the Third.
Yes.
Well, do I shake? Nice meeting you, so take care. All right. I just want to ask you a simple question, what you think about French people, but do you mind if I go in the light? Yeah, so, by the way, what's your name?
My name is Jay, man.
Jade.
Jay.
Jay. All right, nice meeting you, Jay. So what do you think about France or French people?
I'm saying, I met some cool people from France, bro. They pull up, you know what I'm saying? Show love. They spend money with your guy.
All right, that's it. Well,
I support the French people. And plus, my stepmom, she's Haitian. So, she speaks French. So.
You speak some French?
Nah. I know the voulez-vous say avec.
Well, that's good, man. So I appreciate it. Nice, okay? I appreciate it, man. All right, take care. In general, what's your opinion of France or French people?
Perfectly fine, good folks. Yeah. No hard opinion. No
hard opinion.
Yeah. I've been to France a few times, and I think it's perfectly good. I don't have like a strong like preconception, like they're so this or they're so that. Just like they're human beings.
All right, that's good. I like this one. So thank you so much again. Do you much shake hands or thanks so much. Enjoy your day, okay? Thank you.
My name is X-Rat.
X-Rad?
X-Rat.
Rat.
Yeah.
Like rat.
Like rat in New York City.
Okay, so the question is simple. What do you think about French people or France? So living in France, I know that other people have an idea of who we are, what we do. So what do you think about France?
Love my French friends. I had French roommates and stuff. I'm from Istanbul, Turkey, so I love the people. Politically, I don't know, like the recent incidents and stuff in France, like the
You're
system.
aware, wow.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you're aware.
I'm aware, and it's like sad things has happened, and it keeps on happening. There is, like some systemic racism going on over there too, just like here, just like in the U.S., just like anywhere else. But overall, French has great, the French has great food, great soccer, they, gave us
Mbappe?
Mbappe, hell yeah.
All right, so thank you so much.
You're welcome.
What's the name? Something rat.
X-Rat.
X-Rat, I appreciate it. That is it for our video today. We're ending here at McDonald's. And if you want to see what that looks like, because I will compare McDonald's in France and in the States and see if they're different. If you want to see that video, you have to watch the video for next week. Anyways, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.